Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID credentials and testing them on Appleid. Apple.com so you know the account works. Once done, make sure device date, time, and time zone are correct, because incorrect time breaks authentication. Next, check network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular or toggle airplane mode to reset connections. Restart the device to clear transient issues. If an error code appears, write it down. That code directs the next troubleshooting path, so don't skip this step. Now you dig into account security settings. Confirm two-factor authentication and trusted phone numbers or devices, because missing trusted devices blocks verification. If you can't receive codes, use your recovery key or start account recovery. This takes time, so be patient. If you reset the password, sign out of Apple ID across affected devices to force credential refresh. Make sure you update the password in Settings, iCloud, and the App Store so background services resume. These steps resolve most account, credential, and finish by updating iOS or Mac OS. Older system software can block sign-in due to protocol mismatches. If the issue persists, reset network settings to clear corrupted Wi-Fi or VPN configurations. As a last resort, back up and restore the device to factory settings. Make sure you have a recent backup before restoring. If none of this works, contact Apple support and provide the specific error code and any device logs you captured. That information speeds diagnosis and gets you a targeted resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.